Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So obviously I've got the gestures applied right now, but I will show you how to find the relevant option and change to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on gestures, so the third option. Let's enter and tap on navigation mode. So let's pretend I've got this 3 button navigation. So all we have to do is to tap on gesture navigation, and instead of the 3 buttons you will have this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can customize it, so you can swipe to invoke assistant or change the back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so because you will be able to decide whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. You can just change it like that. Alright, so now a quick tutorial how to use the gestures. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.